Department of Transport had launched, Government of Goa had launched a permit services online. This is how we proceed. The permit link has to be clicked. Once the permit link is clicked, you get a site named Vahan Citizen Services, and we can avail for the state of Goa. We have to select the state Goa and RTO. The RTO will be the vehicle where the vehicle is registered. So we are taking here Panaji RTO, since my vehicle is registered in Panaji RTO. So I proceed. Once I proceed, I go to the services and say apply for permit. Here we have to enter the registration number which the permit services needs to be availed, vehicle number, and the last 5 digit chassis number, and we proceed for the services. The registered mobile number is extracted from the database which the vehicle has been registered in this number. So this number will get a OTP to avail the services. I log into the service and I say proceed. Here we get a confirmation. The message says please ensure that you are applying for the type of permit which is not prohibited or restricted by RTA, STA, central government, state government, or any other competent authority or any other. So do you want to proceed? I say proceed. This is the dashboard of the vehicle G07F0120 where I apply for permit online. So these services are online. I apply for a fresh permit for this vehicle since the vehicle is registered, newly registered. I apply for new permit. When I apply for new permit, it shows me the owner details, the vehicle details, the current address and the permanent address in the owner details tab. Other necessary details are basically the taxation validity to see whether the tax is paid, fitness validity, insurance update, and prosecution, PUC, and all these details will be seen here. In the permit tab, we select goods permit type. Year by default comes 5 years yearly. So this is auto selected. We select the service type, goods service, since this vehicle is a goods carrier. Nature of goods, we have two options, hazarded and non-hazarded. Once you select hazarded, the goods drop down changes automatically, and once it is non-hazarded selection, then the goods type is a different list. So we select non-hazarded and general goods. Nature of goods is general goods. Since the permit is a goods permit, we select all Goa. We enter the optional details, that is parking place and purpose of journey. Purpose of journey to carry general goods for this type of vehicle. And I submit my request. Once I submit my request, temporary application number gets generated. Please note down the application number and use this number for further verification of details. And I verify it now. Now it is proceeded for verification of this particular application which we have generated just now. So we click on show to verify the owner details are the same which is extracted from the database. Other details, that is the validity of all the parameters, that is the tax, fitness, insurance, environment, pollution, e-challan, all the validities will come here, that it is valid. Permit details, the entry which we have done, that is goods permit 5 years, non-hazardous general goods, area detail all Goa, parking place Goa area. We have to just confirm whether these details are valid and you submit to verify the application. Once the application is verified, the payment needs to be initiated. Now you have to proceed. If you are not ready for payment, you wait, click on later. So now I am ready for a payment, so I say pay now. The same application now goes to the fee counter for verification. This is the same application which we have generated. We click on check application. This is the fee structure for a fresh permit, fresh goods permit, and the rate is 300 rupees. If there is a fine, since there is a delay, the fine will come. If the applicant has delayed in applying for permit, then the fine will come. I hereby declare I agree to this terms and condition, and I make the payment. So the payment is done online. I want to proceed. Yes. If the payment is a success, after doing net banking or payment by through debit card, credit card, or to UPI transaction, if the payment is successful, I get a receipt. So this is the receipt number. This is the receipt number and the transaction number, and the receipt gets generated, amounting rupees 3,330. I can save this, I can take a print, or I can save it in a PDF. Now I can take a print. So I go back after saving the receipt. I go back, and the application is auto verified and approved. So we can directly go to print permit. I can either put in the application number, or I can use the registration number to get the detail. So here you can see a fresh permit print is ready for the citizen to take a print. A fresh goods permit print. So this is how the permit will look like. We can save this permit as a PDF or take a print if you have a printer, or digitally save using save as PDF. This is how the permit will look like. The computer generated certificate of permit can be verified only through QR and no signature is required. So for online service, the permit print doesn't require an authorized signatory of the department. So it is through QR code we can scan and check whether it is a genuine document. So this is how within 10 minutes we can generate a fresh permit for any vehicle. So this is the option what we have to use. Thank you.